The VitaFlow Tool Powerhead is a direct swap for many Honeywell V8043E series zone valves, so it drops into existing systems without modification or guesswork. By letting you replace only the powerhead instead of the entire valve body, it can dramatically cut repair costs and avoid draining or repiping the heating loop. The motor and gear train are built to handle sticking and grinding issues, using reinforced components and a strong return spring to ensure the valve closes firmly every cycle. Its integrated end switch uses a precise micro switch design that gives reliable boiler ignition signals, which helps eliminate intermittent heat and nuisance no-heat calls. Installers will appreciate the clearly arranged screw terminals and long factory leads on the same side as the manual lever, making wiring and changeouts fast even in tight spaces. With a burnout-protected motor, high cycle parts, and compatibility with common 24-volt control setups, this powerhead is designed for many seasons of dependable heating service.